This is a video on site of how to clean a filter in a Hitachi Yutaki M heat pump. So we've just taken off the smaller model, the single fan unit. We've had to take off both doors, the top door and the bottom one. On the bigger unit you just have to take off the top door. So we're just going to show how to clean out our strainer here, which is down at the bottom of the heat pump. So the first thing to do with your grips is get it and turn the square head at the top 90 degrees. And that's going to isolate the water in the system either side of the ball valve. Just make sure that the square head is exactly 90 degrees facing, it can't be anything off that. And the next thing we're going to do is open the wee cap on the front, loosen it. Just keep going until that completely removes. There will be a little bit of water that will come out of the system. That's it. So the next part now is to take the main body of the valve off, unscrew it. It shouldn't be too tight. Keep screwing that there until that part comes completely off. Now we need to remove the little circlip so that we can take the gauze out to check the strainer. So we're going to use our circlip pliers to take out the little circlip. You can see our filter, it actually isn't too bad, but we'll give it a wee clean out and then show you how to close it all up again. So we've just cleaned the filter, now we're going to put it back into the strainer. So insert it back in and then use our circlip just to keep it in place. Now we're going to close it up. Important bit is not to over tighten this fitting. It has a rubber washer on it, so it doesn't need to be too tight, just a gentle nip up. So just giving that a gentle nip, don't need to over tighten that. And then our screw cap, exactly the same, it's got a rubber washer, so it does not need to be over tightened. The important final bit is to open the screw cap at the top, turn it back 90 degrees, and you will see then the little arrow should be facing the same direction as the pipe, so that you're getting the correct flow through the strainer. And just check that there's no water coming out of any of the fittings that you've put back on. That's us good to go.